Hello, everyone. Today we're looking at the two sides of the snowy coin, satisfying cleanups and total chaos. Stay warm, grab a blanket, and let's see who wins this round, humanity or the weather. Watch this guy poke the bear, or in this case, the barn. Hope he brought a snorkel. Same idea, different house. He thinks he's safe with that long pole. Run, Forrest, run! That's not an icicle, that's a structural column. Timber. Now for the most satisfying slide you'll see all day. Like a fresh sheet off a bed. Beautiful. This tractor is currently fighting for its life. Just keep swimming, buddy. You'll find the road eventually. Work smarter, not harder. It's like a Roomba, but for the tundra. If you think your morning commute is bad, try driving inside a cloud at midnight. Sometimes you just need to move the snow from here to the next zip code. This is synchronized swimming, but with heavy machinery. If you are driving on the road underneath that bridge, my deepest condolences. Now this isn't just snow removal, this is a fully coordinated military operation. It's like synchronized swimming, but with heavy diesel machinery. There is something incredibly satisfying about slicing through a giant frozen marshmallow. That was loud enough to wake up the neighbors 3 towns over. These guys have turned clearing a path into a rhythm game. Just look at that technique. Work smarter, not harder, folks. We could watch this efficiency all day. This isn't just shoveling, this is an excavation project. Just wait for the avalanche. He summoned it. I think he just unlocked a legendary weapon. The graphics on this game are incredible. He mistook the lift line for bowling pins. Strike! There is nothing more satisfying than a perfect peel. Watch the windows on the bottom left, and lights out. Physics is about to explain why that was a terrible idea. He thought it was a few inches deep. The snow had other plans. At this point, you're not a driver anymore. You're just a passenger. That's certainly the fastest way to get down. That isn't a roof anymore. That's a glacier waiting to happen. Next time you complain about shoveling your driveway, just be glad you're not facing this mountain. That machine is absolutely hungry. When the snow is deeper than your car, standard plows quit. That's when you bring in the heavy artillery. Like a hot knife through hibernating butter. Extremely cold white butter.